Welcome to Ready, Set, Write. I'm Miss Melissa. Everyone grab your helmets, hop in your car, and hold on tight because we are headed to the racetrack. We have 2 cars that will be joining us on our Racecar Adventure today, but they need a little help to build their road and get ready for their Racecar Adventure. I hope you'll help me. In order for us to get started, our cars need a road to drive on, and we're gonna help build them that road. So everybody grab a blank piece of paper, some stickers, markers, or crayons. Let's get started. You're gonna take your piece of paper and we're gonna make 2 roads, one for one car and one for the other. We're gonna take our paper, holding it a long way like this, and we're gonna fold it in half. Just like that. Try to line up the edges as best you can. Perfect. Now you're gonna open your paper, and we have a top and we have the bottom. So one road for the top and one road for the bottom. I want you to take your sticker and we're gonna put it in the middle of the top part of the paper. This is gonna help us to know exactly where our roads are going to go. You're gonna do the same thing for the bottom road. So take another sticker, and in between the top and the bottom, you're gonna find the middle. You're just gonna put that sticker right there. Great job. Now we're gonna make the lines to the top of the road and to the bottom. I'm going to use blue, but feel free to use any color that you'd like. I'm gonna put my marker on the sticker, and I'm gonna take one big jump up. And I'm gonna make my first big line all the way to the other side of the paper. Great job. Now I'm gonna go back to the sticker, and I'm gonna jump one big jump under the sticker. I'm gonna start at the end, and I'm gonna make another long line for the bottom of the road. Good job. Now I'm gonna switch markers. I'm gonna take my black marker, and I'm gonna draw a little short line starting at the sticker all the way across. So you're gonna make a little line, pick your marker up, another little line, pick your marker up. This is the middle of the road. The cars will know exactly where to go thanks to your help. Perfect. Now we're gonna make a road for car number 2. I'm gonna use orange. Remember, we start at the sticker. We take a big jump up, and we're gonna make a big line across. Great. I'm gonna do the same thing for the bottom line. Start at the sticker, take a big jump down, and go all the way across. Don't worry if your lines are not perfectly straight. Mine aren't either. Then we're gonna take our black marker and make those little lines in the middle of the road, all the way to the other side. Perfect. We're gonna put this paper to the side and save it for later.